We have discussed several problems under this topic stoichiometry. Now also we are going to discuss another problem. Let's see the problem. If 448 grams of O2 react with FeS, how many molecules of SO2 will be produced? If 448 grams of O2 react with FeS, how many molecules of SO2 will be produced? Let's see the chemical equation. FeS plus O2 we get Fe2O3 plus SO2. This chemical equation is not balanced. Let's balance it. It will take some time for you to balance this chemical equation. I have already balanced it. For FeS plus 7O2 we get 2 Fe2O3 plus 4 SO2. Here we have been given 448 grams of O2. Now we have to convert this 448 grams of oxygen to moles of oxygen. Let's convert it. 448 grams of oxygen to moles. We know in 32 grams of oxygen there is 1 mole of O2. That means 1 mole of O2 weighs 32 grams. In 32 grams of O2 there is 1 mole of O2. Therefore in 448 grams of O2 we have to find how many moles of O2 are there. We can find the answer in this way. 1 mole O2 divided by 32 gram O2 multiplied by 448 grams O2. We should cancel out units. Gram O2, gram O2, then we get 14 moles of oxygen. This 448 grams of oxygen means 14 moles of oxygen. Now let's see the ratio. With the help of FeS, 7 moles of O2 can produce 4 moles of SO2. This ratio, 7 moles of O2 with help of FeS can produce 4 moles of SO2. 7 moles of O2 can produce 4 moles of SO2. Now we have 14 moles of O2. Therefore, we have to find how many moles of SO2 can produce 14 moles of O2. If we use 7 moles of O2, we can get 4 moles of SO2. Therefore, if we use 14 moles of O2, how many moles of SO2 can we get? If we use 7 moles of O2, we can get 4 moles of SO2. Therefore, if we use 14 moles of O2, how many moles of SO2 can we get? We can find the answer in this way. 4 mole SO2 divided by 7 mole O2 multiplied by 14 mole O2. 7 mole SO2 divided by 7 mole 4 mole SO2 divided by 7 mole O2 multiplied by 14 moles O2. We should cancel out units. Mole O2, mole O2, then we get 8 moles of SO2. Now we know if 448 grams of O2 react with FeS, how many molecules of SO2 will be produced? We know we can get 8 moles of SO2, but we have been asked how many molecules of SO2, not mole of SO2. We have found mole of SO2. This 8 mole of SO2, we have been asked how many molecules of SO2 will be produced. We know in 1 mole of SO2 contains 6.022 times 10 raised to 23 molecules of SO2. Not only SO2, 1 mole of anything has 6.022 times 10 raised to 23 atoms, molecules or particles. Now 1 mole of SO2 contains 6.022 times 10 raised to 23 molecules of SO2. This number is called Avogadro number. This number is called Avogadro number. In 1 mole of SO2 contains 6.022 times 10 raised to 23 molecules of SO2. We have to find now in 8 mole of SO2 how many molecules of SO2 are there. In 8 mole of SO2 how many molecules of SO2 are there. We can find the answer in this way. This Avogadro number divided by 1 mole of SO2 multiplied by 8 mole of SO2. We should cancel out mole SO2, mole SO2. Then we get our answer 8 times 6.022 times 10 raised to 23 molecules of SO2. 8 times 6.022 times 10 raised to 23 molecules of SO2, our answer. If you want, you can write the calculation in a straight line in this way. At once you will not understand this method. Try to understand this method slowly. Using this method also you can get the same answer. Try this method slowly. If you can understand this video, please subscribe our channel. Thank you very much for watching. God bless you.